So where were you on this date 10 years ago, the beginning of Snowmageddon?
January 31st, 2011, a decade ago. It began snowing and would not stop for 40 hours. In a city known for some big winter storms, this was one for the ages. Our Dana Kozlov described the scene on Lakeshore Drive.
We have been on Lakeshore Drive now for about an hour, and this is what it looks like from the front passenger seat of our vehicle. It is a virtual whiteout.
Cars were stopped here for hours. It was a parking lot. Some frustrated drivers simply got out of their vehicles. It took more than a day to remove the snow and get this main road ready again for traffic. Snowmobiles were the preferred transportation for some, or cross-country skis for other Chicagoans. And take a look at this CTA bus, covered in snow, outside and inside. It was a rare meteorological event. Heavy snow, powerful winds, even lightning, 10 years ago.